In this video, I am going to show how I will create Jenkins job using freestyle, and I will show you what are the steps for creating it. First, I will click on new item. Here I can give a name. I will write as test Jenkins job. Then I will select as freestyle. We can use two, freestyle and pipeline. Pipeline details I will show you in another video, but first of all, let us focus on freestyle. Then I will proceed. So here, the first option is we can give the description, testing Jenkins job, or I can give it my first Jenkins job. Then here are the options like from where we have to take inputs for the project, GitHub and all. For as of now, we are going to leave it as it is. Then source code, if we are going to take it from Git, we can select it, but for now I will keep it as none as we are entering the details from here itself. Then we have this build triggers. I will leave this as well. Then build environment. I will give another video elaborating all the details. Then I have build step here. If you're using Linux or Ubuntu, you can use shell. Since I'm using Windows, I'm using Windows batch command. Then here I will select a few of the commands which I can mention. So I will mention Java hyphen version to check the version of our command of our Java. So it will do this. Then this post build action, we can leave it as it is. Then I will apply it and then I will save this. Now we can see this Jenkins job has been created. Now what I will do is I will build this job. So here we can see it is showing as successful. Now I can see the console output and it is giving me the Java hyphen version. If the same command I will run in our CMD, Java hyphen version, it gives me the output, same output I'm getting here. Thank you.